Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the dish rack roller assembly in your GE dishwasher, you will need a jeweler's flathead screwdriver. Extend the upper rack assembly. Gently pry the tabs open to release the end caps on the slide rails. Now you can remove the rack from the slide rails. And set it on a flat surface. Use the screwdriver to compress the tab on the bracket clip while pulling it up. Then push it forward to unhook it. Save the clip for the new dish rack roller assembly. Now remove the assembly from the rack. To install the new dish rack roller assembly, insert and align the assembly onto the dish rack. Insert and snap the clip into the dish rack roller assembly. Insert the sliders between the rollers to set the rack. Snap the end caps back onto the slide rails. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.